Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you my Seattle haul. I actually decided to go to Seattle on Valentine's Day to treat myself because why not? Valentine's Day, I have viewed it in a lot different way now that I've been single for quite some time. 4 years exactly. Not exactly, but 4 years. Past the 4-year mark at this point, but I decided to create my own happiness on Valentine's Day, so I went to Seattle with my housemate. You'll see it in our Seattle vlog, but I went with my housemate Bella. It was her first time going to the States, so it was really exciting for me to see her experience America in the Seattle way. So here's my haul. First, I'm not going to go into order of what I bought all these items, but I'm just going to show you exactly what I got. It's been a few weeks now, and I know I should have filmed this video earlier, but I didn't because you'll see why in either this video before or after, but 2020 has been hard. I went to Pike Place Market and I got a candle from the Seattle Candle Company, and the candle that I got is called Sage, Oak Moss, Amber, and Tonka Bean. It's the number 6, and these are hand poured and small batches made in Seattle, obviously. It says it's an 8-hour burn time. The way that I would describe this is like this is very much of a masculine scent. I like the smell of men's fragrances because I think it smells, well, it's because like I like the smell of hot guys, to be honest, and I wanted my room to smell like a hot guy, and this is what it smells like. So it smells like a really nice cologne. I'm pretty sure it's the amber and the oak moss and the sage just all mixed together that makes this scent smell so amazing. Again, it's in this number 6 from the Seattle Candle Company. It's the sage, oak moss, amber, and tonka bean. And then this candle was around $25, I want to say, but it smells delicious, and as you can see, I used quite a bit of it. I'm almost done. Next is from Ulta. I had to tame myself, to be honest. I was so tempted to get so many things from Ulta, but I had to control myself because I know the Canadian dollar is not that great right now. So girl gotta control herself. So the first thing I got was actually this this serum. It is from Peach and Lily. I've heard about Peach and Lily through Asia Dang here on YouTube. But that's how I first heard about the brand. But it's a Korean skincare brand, and I got the Glass Skin Refining Serum, translucent and luminous. It has peach extract and peptide complex. I think this one was around like $40 if I want to say, but I love my serums and decided to get this one here. It's made in Korea, and I love the look of glass skin, so I had to get this. I'm also like a huge ingredient person when it comes to skincare, so I really liked these ingredients that were in here. There's niacinamide, there's peach extract, there's hyaluronic acid, a few different types of hyaluronic acid. What else do I recognize here? I think that's like all that I recognize from my mind, but I'm a fan of this. Not a fan of this. I'm excited to try this product out when I do get to it. Next one is a concealer from Makeup Revolution. It's a Conceal and Define. I wanted a certain color. I think it was like C3 or C2 I wanted, but I got the C1. It was the closest to my skin tone that was in stock, so I heard great things about this concealer, so I wanted to try it out. And I think this was around like $3 or $4 if I'm not mistaken. Next one is chocolate. So I went to Theos Chocolate. I went on their chocolate tour because I've been before last time when, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know I went to this Theos Chocolate tour years ago when I had a boyfriend, like my last boyfriend. And I went back again with my roommate, my housemate Bella, and I stocked up on a lot of chocolate. And to be honest, I couldn't control myself with waiting to do this haul, so I ate some of the chocolates, but I had 4 of them. So I got 2 root beer barrel ones, 55% dark chocolate, and I got 2 of them. They're so delicious. It's basically like root beer candy that's crushed up and mixed in with the dark chocolate, and that's so bomb. I also have, I put them all in Ziploc back here because I want to show you guys I actually did buy stuff. I got this orange and cranberry. This is for the holiday season. This was on sale. This is 55% dark chocolate, and this is amazing too. There's orange oil and dried cranberry pieces in it, which I really enjoyed. And I already ate this other one, did I? Yeah, I did. The sea salt. So I bought one of the best flavors is a sea salt. So I got the sea salt that's 70% dark chocolate. I also got the raspberry one. Oh yeah, perfect. I got 2 of these. So I got 2 of these ones, the 2 raspberry 70% dark chocolate. And to be honest, I never thought I would be into dark chocolate until I got older / when I turned lactose intolerant, because I can't have milk chocolate the way I used to have milk chocolate, because now when I eat milk chocolate my stomach kind of hurts after because I'm lactose intolerant. So I got 2 of those. I also got the 70% pure dark chocolate, so this is just 70% dark chocolate, and the reason why I like these is they're very rich and you feel like you're actually getting like the true version of what chocolate is supposed to be. And the last one I got is a My Cherry Baby. It is dried cherries, and there's a little bit of milk. This is milk chocolate. This is the only one that I got that's milk chocolate, and the rest are just dark chocolate. But 44% milk chocolate with freeze-dried cherries in it, and this is like the Valentine's Day edition. You can get Theos Chocolate at Whole Foods, I'm pretty sure. I remember seeing it there. They're a little bit more in the higher end pricing because it's organic and fair trade, but this is quality chocolate. So if you're a chocolate lover and you're willing to spend money on chocolate, go get some. But since I went on the tour you get, I think it's like a 20% off coupon for your purchases in this store that's attached to the factory. So gotta check that out if you're in Seattle. And the last thing I bought, I went to Bellevue. We went to the Bellevue Collection Mall. I think it's called Bellevue Collection or Bellevue Square or something. But I saw the Fabletics store, and I didn't know that Fabletics had its own store, but I've seen a whole bunch of influencers / the person who created Fabletics, or a partner, I can't remember, but Kate Hudson. And I decided to grab a few pieces, and mainly because I left I left all my workout clothes back in Ontario, and I will go back end of April to go grab a few more pieces and a whole bunch of stuff because I left them behind. I grabbed a sports bra and pants. So this is the first sports bra. This style is called the Kessler Medium Impact Sports Bra, but I really like this. It has padding into it. It's nothing like crazy padding like the way Victoria's Secret ones are, some of the Victoria's Secret ones, and I love the back of this. It's super cute and very nice. I got it in the size small. I didn't try any of these products or any of these clothing pieces on in store, but I just trusted the lady would choose the right size for me, and she did, luckily, thank God. These pants are kind of tight though, not gonna lie. These pants are the PowerHold high-waisted solid PowerHold in the color black. I got it in the size small, but these are what they look like. They're kind of, they go a little bit past my knee, like a few inches past my knee area, but they fit very nicely, and they have a hidden pocket right in the front here. Right in the front you can put your keys or any cards that you want to put there when you work out. But I decided to get a few workout pieces because I want to work out while I'm here, and plus I'm hoping living in BC I'll become more fit, because right now I'm not fit. But yeah, these are just basic high-waisted pants that people wear to work out. I don't normally just wear pants like this in general. Like, in my opinion, I see that athleisure is a thing that people like to wear, but for me, I can't wear athleisure as everyday clothing unless I worked out. If I worked out, then that, for me, I can justify that. But yeah, these are the pieces I got from Fabletics. I'll put down a link down below for all these items I purchased. If you can purchase them online, I'll put all the links down below. But that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back more with some more videos when I feel inspired. Like I said, I'm not going to post as often as I used to, like back in my university days, but just keeping it real. And I'll probably will post more in between looking for jobs and going to interviews. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day so far, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.